Everybody, I would like to introduce our ceiling fan today. The working voltage of our fan is DC 12 watt and the power consumption is 60 watt. And our fan is mainly designed for the bedroom use. The power cord length is 2.5 meters and is enough to hang it on the bed. And we included a timer switch on the power cord. There are 4 options you can choose. As you can see, 2 hours timer, 4 hours timer, 12 hours timer, and always on. It's all controlled by this button. This is the connector is a DC female connector. It should connect it to our power adapter. The input voltage of our power adapter is AC 100 to 240 watt. And the output voltage is DC 12 watt 1.5 ampere. So this is one of our fan already assembled on the bed. As you can see, the power cord is long enough to hang it on the bed. And this is our power adapter. The connector of the power adapter is very small and it could get through the mosquito net very easily. So now let's connect it to the power connector. So now it's set at 2 hours timer, and the fan is on. You press it again, and then it's 4 hours timer. You press it again, it's 12 hours timer. And you press it again, it's always on. Press it one more time, and then it will shut down the ceiling fan. So apart from our power adapter, our fan it could also be powered by a 12 watt battery like this one. All you need is a transfer cable like this one. So let's connect it. So now let's turn it on, and now it's set 2 hours timer, and the fan is on. 4 hours, 12 hours, always on, off. And our fan could also be powered through a solar system. So 2 hours, 4 hours, 12 hours, always on, and then shut down. So that's our fan. And thanks for watching. Thanks.